Alright, welcome back guys. So today we're going to be doing some little smokies on the Traeger Grill with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Now I got sent these Hogs Rack BBQ Sauce from California. These are premium barbecue sauces, so I figured the best way to try these was to try them with some little smokies. Oof, I love little smokies, especially with some barbecue sauce. So far they only offer two. They offer their California, what is this, original, and this one that has no label. I don't know, maybe mistake, maybe, I don't know, but this has no label, guys. This is a spicy barbecue sauce. Now, I love spicy barbecue sauce with a little bit of sweet, and this is what this one is. So we're going to be trying the spicy one, and then we'll try the original one and see how those are. But to try these, I figured let's go ahead and try these little smokies on the Traeger Grill. The temperature we'll be using today is going to be 225 degrees, so I'm going to give them a nice smoke to these smokies. That's their name, Little Smokies. So 225, about to take maybe 45 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set them all right here. So now that we have them like this, we're going to go ahead and put them on the Traeger. So let's fire up that Traeger. Our Traeger is up to temp, 225 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here. I'll probably be back in a half hour, add the barbecue sauce, and probably another 15 after that. So we'll be back. 30 minutes have passed. Oh, they're looking really good. So let's go ahead and take them out and give some barbecue sauce and bring them back in. Alright guys, here that we have it, we're going to go ahead and put these in a plate so we can add the barbecue sauce and bring it back in here. That way we can put it back in there and cook a little bit more. I'm going to leave a few without them, so I can do that with the regular California style barbecue sauce. So this is our spicy California spicy, I think is what they call it. Go ahead and mix it up in there. Mix it up real good. Man, I just want to just grab it and eat one. Okay. They're nice. Oh, look at that. Nice color to them. So we're going to go ahead and put these back in there. These ones I'm going to leave them alone because I'm going to use the regular California barbecue sauce they have. This is a spicy. That way I know which is which. So go ahead and put them back in there. Alright guys, now we're back. And these look great. So remember, this is the California spice from Hogs Rack BBQ Sauce. There's going to be their website down here. And let's see how it tastes. It has some good flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and not bad. It has a nice sweet to it. Now, supposedly this is a spice, right? You can barely taste the spice to it. From 1 to 10, 10 being really spicy and 0 to be nothing. I say this is about a 3. Maybe a 4. So if you don't eat too much spice, this is perfect for you. If you eat a lot of spicy like I do, and many of you do, this is really not that spicy. So now let's try their Hogs Rack California style. California original. So I'm going to add some of this. And try the original one. So I can tell both of them they have a nice sweet to them. Okay, now if you like your barbecue sauce to be sweet, they're both good. Overall, they're not bad. It's pretty damn good, especially they're on the West Coast. I'm on the West Coast. I like their spicy one, even though it's not spicy, and I wish it was a little bit more spicy, more kick to it. You guys know on my channel I use a lot of Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, and I like the sweet and zesty and the Devil's Pit, and I like to mix them together Makes it more hot, more spicy. If you guys want to try one of them and say, oh, let me try one, go with the spicy. It's not that spicy, but it has a little bit. Not a lot. So, if you guys like this video, subscribe. You should check the hogsrack.com and try one of these out. Not bad. We'll see you guys next time.